Truecaller is not just known for caller identification and spam detection. It is more about a lot of solutions for enterprises and retail customers. To know more what the company is doing, we have co-founder of Truecaller, Alan Mamedi. Thank you, Alan, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So what is new with Truecaller? What the company is doing in the space of caller identification in terms of using the technologies like AI, and what is the new stuff that you're working on?
Well, thanks for having us. We're doing a lot of things. Honestly, every week we release a new version of Truecaller with small fixes and improvements and also new features. Some of the big things that we've been working on during this year has been to prevent impersonations and frauds by using AI and leveraging that basically to be able to detect fake or fraudsters much faster. And we can dive more into that. But also we've seen some trends in India. One of these trends are that more and more people are getting wearables. Just this year, India is actually the fastest growing market in the world when it comes to wearables. I believe it grew with over 50%. So it's a huge potential. And what we've seen is that if you're using a wearable, the whole idea is that you should not look at your phone basically, even when a call comes in. The problem is that Truecaller has not been working on the watch. So you either way end up taking up your phone to see who is actually calling me. So this was actually a problem that one of our employees in the company saw. He was a big user of an Android watch. So he actually built it himself, which was amazing. So he started to build on it, and together with the team, we were polishing it. And in a couple of weeks during this year, we should have a beta going out to our users in India. So we'll pilot it here. So that's going to be super fun, one of the big changes that is happening this year.
Right. And the company has been using artificial intelligence to perfect the solution that the company has. So, and the company also launched AI search context in the past. So how you plan to use more AI, and what are your views on AI in general? How do you think that AI would shape the business you are in?
I think for our business, the big improvements we'll probably see internally, how we operate as engineers and product managers, where we can leverage AI to become more efficient, I would say. On the product side, I believe the big things we will see is around detecting frauds and spammers much faster. That's one aspect. The other aspect is, of course, the things we have rolled out during this year, which is an AI assistant that actually picks up the calls for you. You don't need to answer the calls. You can see in live text what the person is saying to you. So these are the areas around telephony, cloud telephony services that we've been working on, powered by AI. And one of the big challenges that we see today is AI, how AI is being abused by scammers to impersonate other people's voices. So voice cloning, basically. And what the team has been working with for some time is to figure out how can we detect if this voice is manipulated and cloned. It's a really hard problem to solve. There has been one incident in India we've seen in the papers where someone almost got scammed using a fake voice, basically, of someone close to them. And we've seen many more of these cases in the US and in parts of the Western world. So I think this will be a big problem and big challenge for us to solve. And it's definitely going to be a growing pain point. So in the end, it will be AI fighting AI.
Is generative AI an area where you think you could do something? Because a lot of companies are doing a lot of things. And this is one of the hot topics at the moment. So,
it is. Well, you know, it is a super exciting topic, and there's a lot of development happening here. Our team was actually quite excited about what was happening with ChatGPT and the development of that. So a small team built a True GPT, as we call it, inside the Truecaller product. We launched it a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months ago actually, in one of our markets just to try it. So we did it silently. And the engagement we saw was quite amazing on that product. So it's inside the Truecaller app. You go to the messaging tab and then you can ask questions, interact with a chatbot. We're planning to roll this out to India quite soon as well. I think we launched it yesterday actually in India, but silently to a small amount of users to see the engagement. So we're doing things. The team is very excited about technology. So when they see things they want to try out, they just build it. And we're a company with a culture where we embrace these kind of things, just like the Android Watch app and the True GPT and so forth.
On that note, I would like to conclude this interview. Thank you, Alan. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.